we had a battery manufacturer come to us a few years ago. Greg mentioned earlier, we have a very unique appetite for workers' compensation, from mining underground to telecommunications at height to battery manufacturing. The list goes on, but it's really cool what we're able to do for folks in tough spots or that do hard work. We're a great solution. But this battery manufacturer came to us after having some frequency issues, especially in the area of material handling. And what I mean by frequency is they're having a lot of claims. And this had driven their experience modification rating up to nearly 1.5, and they're paying over $100,000 more a year for workers' comp than they needed to. I got close with this client right off the bat because they were drawn to our services due to the high mod and how much they were paying for the insurance. And immediately got in there. Again, boots on the ground. We are wearing Carhartts and boots, not suits. We are industry professionals. Can't stress that enough. So get out there, spend some time with the client, come up with a strategy. And this strategy involved a lot of engineering. And this company, I'll just plug it, Berkley Industrial Comp, is constantly investing in its employees so that we can better serve you. 2022, I wrapped up my Master of Engineering at University of Alabama, Birmingham, and the company paid for that so that I can better serve every one of you. I took what I learned there primarily in prevention through design and worked with this battery manufacturer, made assessments, reviewed their data, and used different hazard analysis techniques to come up with additional safety trainings, adjusted safety trainings, as well as better engineering solutions in their processes. And the results were staggering. Really, within a year, frequency was down 40% and recordable injuries were down to 0. Today, I checked with the client yesterday because I knew this was coming up. They're coming up on 1,200 days recordable free. But wow. Frequency down 40%. But you got to think more. You got to think deeper than that. Productivity increased as well because now we're not having all the lost time that we used to have. And 3 years down the road, that mod is now back around 1. So this was a huge win for them and for us.